I haven't done any mail art in ages, and then very recently I've done like 2 lots of mail art. Well, I suppose one you couldn't really describe as mail art because it was a gift box that I actually gave physically, so it didn't go in the mail at all. But this one today that I'm sharing with you, that definitely went in the mail. So I think I can safely call it mail art. So if you've been watching my channel recently, then you know that I've been collaborating with Janine from My Arty Heart. And we sent each other backgrounds to work on. Well, this is how I sent hers. And I thought it would be fun just to do a little bit of decorating on the actual envelope as well. So let me share with you how I did that and what I used. And of course, all the products that I've used today, they're all listed below in the description. And if you missed any of the videos, then they're also linked in the description as well. I'm kind of hoping that sharing this with you today will help inspire your day and kick it off to what will hopefully be a really creative Sunday for you. Let me know what you're up to. I would love to hear. I'm hoping to do a little bit of watercolour and maybe some drawing myself today. We'll have to see how it goes. Near the end of the video, I also give you a sneaky peek of what else went in the kit as well. Now I'm going to put some music on for you so you can watch it all come together, but I'll be back again at the end. Okay, so let me tell you what else went into this little parcel. Now, you saw the backgrounds already because I put those videos up, so you've seen how they were made. And as well as the 2 backgrounds I put in, I also drew some flowers on some of my painted junk journal pages. And then I did a little bit of stamping as well. So some of my DIY carved stamps, I used some of those to stamp out some images that I thought she might like. And the other things I put in there were a variety of different papers, because I kind of like experimenting on different papers. So I thought maybe I'd put some different bits and pieces in, and I had some caddy paper in there, craft paper, notebook paper. I love notebook paper. I don't know why, I just really like using it in collage and things like that, particularly the square paper. Is that just me? Do you like that as well? And I also dropped in some gel printed bits and pieces too. And then to keep them all together, I used some shaped paper clips, which is another obsession of mine. Every time I see a shaped paper clip, I have to acquire it. Yeah, it's getting a bit beyond a joke. I don't know what it is about them that I really like, but I don't know. It could be because they're usually in bright colours, which is fun. So if you were to receive a kit like this, where you could just use all the bits and pieces for your own mixed media art or your art journaling or even your card making, what would you like to see in it? If you could kind of pick your perfect kit, I would love to know, so do tell me in the comments below. Okay guys, I really enjoyed sharing this with you today. I hope you enjoyed it too. And I'm looking forward to our next arty catch up, which will be Wednesday, so I'll see you all then. Thanks for watching.